Today I'm going to show you guys a really easy way to create a cat eye using a liquid pen. Today I'm going to be using the NYX matte liquid liner. I go for a liquid pen that has a lot of flexibility to it and a really nice long tip. So when doing your winged liner, what you want to do is start on the outer corner of the eye. So you want to look straight into a mirror, create an imaginary line that goes from the outer corner of the eye up to the tip of your brow. So that's kind of a good reference point on where you want to angle up the wing. You can go as long or as short as you want. So I like to rest my pinky on my cheek to really help me get leverage. Then I'm going to place it on the corner and just go straight up towards the corner of my brow. And then you want to just release to give it a nice light flick. So we just have that line to start there. Now I'm going to gently close my eyes, start at the top of that flick that we did, and carry it down and across my eye. So almost creating like a triangle with a little bit of a gap in it. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing again and just drag it over, connecting to the middle of my eyelid. So now we have a bit of a starting point. You see that little gap in the middle? That's what we did on purpose. I'm gonna fill it in now. And now you can take your pen and lay it on its side and then create little dashes right on the center of the eye. We want to start filling this part out. So don't feel like you have to go in and do one big swoop. That's a lot of pressure. I like to do a couple dashes until I get a full straight line. I always go the skinniest on the inner corner. So I'm gonna do the same thing the other side. Go ahead and give it a good shake. Look straight into the mirror, create your line. Going towards the brow, create an imaginary line extending out there. Connect the top of the line down to the lash line. Create dashes going across the eye. Take a Q-tip with a little bit of makeup remover on it to correct any of the mistakes. Super easy way to create a winged liner, just a few steps. Hope you guys try it out at home and let me know what you think.